Hi guys, good to see you again, even though I can't see you. Nice to have you here. Today we're gonna have fun, as always. I am basically gonna use a lot of leftover colors. So my base color is this light blue that is a mix of different colors because I scraped off a painting the other day. So I thought, why don't we use that as a base to see how it turns out. And I'm going to use a lot of, you can see, very different, vibrant colors. I have some of this. All the paints you will see in the description below. I will write the colors and the brands so you can see what colors I have worked on today. The only thing I can't do is the base color, but it looks a lot like sky blue from Amsterdam. So let's just give it a go and see what happens. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing today, but it's a nice way to, use all the leftover colors. Looks a little bit too thick, so I'm just going to add some water. It's a rainy day again in Copenhagen. Happens a lot in this time of season. What is that? Something got into my paint. We don't want that. Let me just add. Also looks a little thick, maybe. I see these little lumps in my paint. I don't know why. They have just been in my cup for a few, like a day. Okay, let's blow it out and see what happens. So let's go. So normally this is where I would just shut down the video because I don't know what's going on with this face paint. It has all these, I don't know, little mini chunks of paint. But even though I have been pouring for quite a while, these things can still occur. So why not just film that as well? And let's see at the end of the video if I can actually manage to get a decent, pretty looking painting. So I really don't want to add more of that base color. So why not use something very light blue here and see if that can look nice in a way if we just mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna put a lot of other colors on it, so I think it's gonna be okay. But we don't want lumps in our paint. No way. Okay. Well, let's see. Maybe some of the lumps are actually air bubbles. So maybe that can help us a little bit. Yeah, some of them were definitely air bubbles. And some of them were not. Well, stranger things have happened. Okay, let's just get on with it, shall we? I think I'm gonna turn this like this because I do want to have a lot of colors in the bottom. And let's just scrape. Okay, something happened to my phone. It actually stopped filming. I am sorry about that, but I have it all blown out. So it looks actually kind of pretty. I can see a lot of cells and some of the colors. So I think let's add something on the top. If my video stops one more time, I'm not sure I can actually air this, but okay. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Whoops, I think I already did that one. And let's do the power green. I can see the green down here. It's really beautiful. And let's add some gold. Everybody needs gold in their lives. I do. Okay, that was a pretty straight line I did there. Well, let's torch it. I can see you guys are still with me. My phone hasn't shut off. Okay, so let's blow it out before it decides it doesn't want to work anymore, my sweet phone. Okay, let's blow. Okay, not gonna blow anymore. Okay, this is really interesting. I can see a lot of cells in some of the colors. I think it's this one, the dark blue. You will see all the colors and descriptions and brands in the comments below. Some very beautiful cells developing here in the middle. Also out here. I will give you a very detailed close-up when I'm done. This is actually, I'm not going to torch it very much because I see a lot of cells, but if we have some air bubbles, we want them to be gone. You can see something is happening underneath. Yeah, a lot of cells are popping up, but I kind of knew that because, as I said, I did add a drop of silicone in them. So, you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna leave it big cell right here in the middle. Yeah. So this is a really fun way to use your leftover paints. And, you know, sometimes you don't know what happens. Okay, well, I'm going to give you guys a close-up, so I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, I am ready with your close-up. As you can see, a lot of cells, so many cells. It was actually difficult for me to do anything. It was difficult to blow because I don't want to ruin these beautiful cells. But it's very obvious that some of my paints had silicone in them. I'm trying to get my phone not to blur out these beautiful, beautiful cells. Can you see them? My light is also, yeah, this is actually, like I said, this is a fun way to use some of your leftover paints. Beautiful lacing. So this is not my favorite piece. I'm not a big fan of all these cells. And I do, well, it's not true. I do love cells, but I like them to appear naturally. And I do have silicone in some of my paints today. But yeah, I think overall, let me just, it's difficult to see actually the blue base color. Now it's a lot easier. Yeah, you can see it now. And the big cell in the middle looks like a small island in the big ocean. Well, okay guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a good time. I know I did. And if you liked this video and you would like to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will see when I have added a new video. So I will go and grab some lunch. Have a great day. Bye.